What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jaydajonet and I am back with another hair review, and this review is going to be on Yolissa Hair. Today I have a 26-inch body wave hair, but we're not going to talk too much. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm going to start off with a bald cap, and I'm cutting my lace first because today I didn't want to really do a full, heavy glued down look. Now, like I said in my previous video, I am trying to get out of the habit of doing strictly hair installs. I want to maybe do like more sit down, talk through hair reviews and talk to y'all while I do my hair, because I feel like repetitive hair reviews where I'm just sitting down doing the same thing gets boring. Maybe a hair install here and there I will do, but as far as these back-to-back hair install videos, I'm not here for it. So I'm gonna start telling companies, look, dedicated tutorials are cool, but we're definitely gonna need some fun into the video. So I just wanted to put that out there, because if it seems like I'm doing a lot of hair videos, trust and believe that I will definitely be minimizing the dedicated videos, more so maybe mentions or get ready with me's to talk to y'all while I do what I do. However, today I'm doing a super simple middle part install. I didn't want to use any glue. I didn't want any heavy thing on my hair, because I knew that y'all see that tan line on my head. That glue is, peeling every time I do an install. That glue is eating out way at my hairline, and making it lighter than my skin. So, or it may be a tan line, but that's neither here nor there. I'm just tired of glue. I'm tired of gluing down wigs. For sometimes I just want to put a wig on my head and go. So basically what I did was do the ball cap method, and today all I did was use Got To Be spray, Got To Be gel, and the baby hairs are going to be the focus part of what holds this unit down. Now, as far as the hair, y'all know I love Yolissa Hair. They have really soft hair. I mostly love their curly hair. This was my first time trying their body wave, and I really was pleasantly surprised. It was really soft. I am going to be, probably giving away this wig, but all in all, this wig was still really nice for the time that I did wear it. And here I'm just trying to adjust it to my head. And the good thing about most wigs now, they come with an adjustable band inside, so you really don't have to glue them down if you don't want to, because they're gonna stay, because they're adjusted to your head, and they're really tight. That's why I like my wigs to be kind of snug, because there's room for error. So I'm gonna go in with my baby hairs. I'm pretty much just gonna show y'all the install. I'm really not going to talk through it, because like I said, it just gets boring. I would rather, y'all sit through and, pretty much play this through. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. All the links to this hair will be in the description box below. And yeah, I'll get to you guys at the end of this video. I can't believe that this wig isn't glued down. Like, it literally gave me glued down vibes. Long as you do your baby hairs and tie the wig down, I can assure you that the wig is gonna stay, literally. But this is the finished product. It's down, y'all, not going anywhere, super secure, and I love it. Like, it's super simple, super fluffy, super natural looking. And yeah, I would definitely wear this just on a regular day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, stay tuned for more regular videos. I'm definitely going to cut down on hair videos. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.